Quality siding is essential for protecting your home from the Midwestern elements, and it can increase your home's curb appeal. At Feldco, we have several options for your siding needs. As with any home renewal project, we make your siding refresh as simple as possible by listening to your needs and providing you with options to bring your vision to life. But first, let's start with the basics. All Sweet Dreams vinyl siding is made to be both energy efficient and to withstand the extreme elements of the Midwest. Its durability-enhanced triple locking design ensures your home is protected, leaving you comfortable while lowering your heating and cooling bills. Our most popular vinyl siding is called Double 4. When you think of vinyl siding, this is the style that usually comes to mind. It's a classic streamlined horizontal look that enhances any home exterior. This low-maintenance durable option comes in many different colors and is perfect for re-siding your entire home. Dutch lap siding has a decorative groove, giving your home's exterior a unique look. The shape of each piece also adds strength for greater durability. If you're going for a more timeless look, board and batten's the way to go. Often referred to as farmhouse style, it's composed of vertical boards of alternating width, giving your home a crisp, clean look. Our vertical siding is the perfect way to set your home apart from the rest of the neighborhood. The vertical boards create sleek lines that can emphasize different areas of your home's exterior. Give your home a charming and unique style with shake siding. By recreating the look of traditional cedar, it's great for eaves, gables, and perfectly complements other styles of siding. Scallop siding, unlike other styles of siding, creates softer lines by having curved bottoms. It's great for accenting other straight board siding like Dutch lap or Double 4. What better way to complete your home exterior than with SOFFIT and FASCIA? SOFFIT is found under extended roof lines and provides great ventilation. FASCIA acts as a trim to round out your home's exterior. Let's get your siding project started. Give us a call or visit us online. Feldco, improving lives one home at a time.